Здравейте хора, аз съм Vosi556 и сега ще правя превъртане на Skyrim. Ще ви остава да гледате сега, защото има информация, която тук ще набавите, за да разберете за какво се разказва. И затова си изключвам микрофона, приятно гледане.
Hey, you. Finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there.
Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. Empire was nice and lazy. If they hadn't been looking for you, could have stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire wants.
We're all brothers and sisters in binds now, thief.
Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh?
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
Ulfric? The Jarl of Windhelm? You're the leader of the rebellion. But if they captured you... Oh gods, where are they taking us?
I don't know where we're going, but Sovngarde awaits.
No, this can't be happening. This isn't happening.
Hey, what village are you from, horse thief?
Why do you care?
A Nord's last thoughts should be of home.
Rorikstead. I'm from Rorikstead.
General Tullius, sir. The headsman is waiting.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Sure. Mara, Dibella, Kinnarev, Akatosh, Divines, please help me.
Look at him. General Tullius, the military governor. And it looks like the Dalmor are with him. Damn elves. I bet they had something to do with this. This is Helgen. I used to be sweet on a girl from here. Wonder if Vilod is still making that mead with juniper berries mixed in. Funny. When I was a boy, Imperial walls and towers used to make me feel so safe.
Who are they, Daddy? Where are they going?
We need to go inside when we come.
Why? I want to watch the soldiers.
Inside the house. Now.
Whoa.
Yes, Papa.
Prisoners out of the carts. Move it!
Why are we stopping?
Why do you think? End of the line.
Така, и това беше. Това детето го прибраха, защото сега ще видите да не ви развалям интереса.
No, wait, we're not
Може да
rebels.
се досещате, не знам.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
You've got to tell them we weren't with you. This is a mistake.
Step towards the block when we call your name. One at a time.
Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead.
No, I'm not a rebel. You can't do this.
Halt!
You're not gonna kill me.
Archers!
И то ще го застрелят.
Anyone else feel like running?
Wait. You there. Step forward.
Така, сега тук си избираме коя раса да сме и името естествено.
Who are you?
Така. Сега да разгледаме расите хубаво. Аргониан. те не знам за какво са добри, сигурно за всичко. Бретон. Тия са добри мейджове. Dark Elf, Thief и Mage. Mage, Mage и Warrior. Ще направим Орк. Нека бъде Орк. И ще се казва... Как? Ще го кръстиме Шрек. Нека се казва Шрек.
You from one of the strongholds, Zork. How did you end up here? Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. We'll make sure your remains return to Osenium. Follow the captain, prisoner.
И тук явно няма никаква правда и сега ще ни убият, защото уж сме били от тия Ревос бунтовници.
But a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the 8 divines upon you.
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over.
Learn our as you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
И то го екзекутирах. Сега идва наш ред.
Death to the Stormcloaks!
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Next, the Orc!
Да, ние сме.
Here it is again. Did you hear that?
I said, next prisoner!
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
Така, и тук ще бъдем екзекутирани. Или не?
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries! What do you see?
It's in the clouds!
И да, идва дракон. Още по-голям проблем. Така, сега за да не го питаме в момента един войник тук каква е цялата история, сега ще ви разкажа набързо всичко. Ние сме се озовали случайно между някакви си бунтовници, които са били срещу краля. И ония, дето беше с превръзката, е бил предводителя на тия бунтовници. И сега тук тия са били екзекутирани, защото са правили бунт, естествено. И тия Imperials, дето екзекутират, се оказват добрите. Всъщност аз не съм запознат въобще с играта. Аз само малко съм играл от нея и за сега така се очертава историята. Стойте с мен и можем да стигнем до края на Skyrim. Което всъщност се казва The Elder Scrolls 5 5V Skyrim. Има 4 Oblivion се казва, а 3 се казва... Не си спомням, трябва да погледам. И това е много яко. Между страната.
Raylo, you damn traitor! Out of my way!
We're escaping, Headhunter. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine, I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovngarde!
Come on! Into the keep now!
With me, prisoner! Let's go!
Това беше малко
We've got to get inside! Now!
безинтересно. И сега трябва да влезем тук. И в момента е след тази част, след като зареди, започва екшена, което ще бъде в следващия епизод. Надявам се да ви е харесало. И до следващия път. Чао!